President Trump says the rapid rise of the Chinese artificial intelligence company DeepSeek is a wake-up call for the U.S. tech industry. DeepSeek, which its owners say cost around just $6 million to develop, has become the most downloaded free app in the U.S. It appears to require less powerful computer chips than its American tech giant rivals. But Mr. Trump said he was confident that the U.S. would remain dominant in the field. Our North America technology correspondent.
World that we got it done, and we're going to get it done again very quickly. Now, I think I do it with an executive order because they didn't go through Congress. I got it approved through Congress, so I think we get it done fast. But it's going to be that can supply all of Asia with its location. All of Asia can be supplied by Anwar. So there's so many things, but we don't want to have any future president ever sabotage our economy with out-of-control regulations as the last two Democrat presidents have done. They went crazy. Last week I signed an order revoking Joe Biden's destructive artificial intelligence regulations so that AI companies can once again focus on being the best, not just being the most woken. Today and over the last couple of days I've been reading about China, and some of the companies in China, one in particular, coming up with a faster method of AI and much less expensive method. And that's good because you don't have to spend as much money. I view that as a positive, as an asset. So I really think if it's fact and if it's true, and nobody really knows if it is, but I view that as a positive because you'll be doing that too. So you won't be spending as much and you'll get the same result, hopefully. The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser focused on competing to win because we have the greatest scientists in the world. Even Chinese leadership told me that. They said, you have the most brilliant scientists in the world in Seattle and various places. But Silicon Valley, they said, there's nobody like those people. This is very unusual when you hear a DeepSeek, when you hear somebody come up with something. We always have the ideas. We're always first. So I would say that's a positive. That could be very much a positive development. So instead of spending billions and billions, you'll spend less and you'll come up with, hopefully, the same solution. Under the Trump administration, we're going to unleash our tech companies and we're going to dominate the future like never before. And finally, we need to work together on a defense bill that once again fully rebuilds our military for our great warriors. We have to have a strong
Virtual Unknown becomes most downloaded app on Apple's U.S. App Store, a deep dive into the AI revolution. In recent news, a new app has surged to the top of the charts on Apple's U.S. App Store, becoming an overnight sensation, DeepSeek. While it may not be a household name just yet, DeepSeek is quickly gaining widespread attention, especially among tech enthusiasts and AI aficionados. It is an AI-powered chatbot, drawing comparisons to OpenAI's ChatGPT, which was responsible for bringing artificial intelligence into the mainstream conversation just a few years ago. Much like ChatGPT, DeepSeek is designed to provide users with quick, comprehensive, and insightful answers to a variety of questions. From answering historical inquiries like "Who is King Charles?" to offering culinary inspiration with suggestions on what to make for dinner, DeepSeek seems to have found its niche in the daily lives of users. But what sets it apart, and what has contributed to its rapid success? First introduced just last week, by the time Monday rolled around, DeepSeek was already making waves in the United States, catching the attention of tech analysts and news outlets alike. The app's immediate popularity can be attributed to its seamless functionality, offering detailed and instant responses to user queries, making it an instant favorite among those seeking efficiency and depth in their virtual interactions. But DeepSeek is not just another chatbot. It's the product of innovative thinking and strategic development. Its Chinese developers have made bold claims stating that they managed to train the AI model for a fraction of the cost and computing power typically required by major competitors. This has sparked significant discussions about the future of AI development and the potential for smaller players to make a huge impact in the tech world. DeepSeek's rise comes at a time when the global AI race is heating up, with major players such as China and the United United States investing heavily in the technology. Just last week, former U.S. President Donald Trump made headlines with the announcement of Stargate, a monumental joint venture that involves a $500 billion investment from global tech giants into AI infrastructure. This move is seen as a response to China's aggressive push in the sector, where AI technology is not just a business opportunity, but a critical area of national interest. On the other side of the Atlantic, the UK government has reiterated its commitment to developing cutting-edge AI infrastructure, with an impressive £14 billion AI investment plan still on track for the near future. This ongoing commitment to AI development in the UK reflects the growing recognition of the technology's importance on a global scale. Now, with the sudden emergence of DeepSeek, the already competitive and rapidly evolving AI landscape has entered an entirely new phase. The market is abuzz with questions. Will this app disrupt the current dominance of other AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT? How will it impact the ongoing battle for AI supremacy between the US, China, and other global players? There's no doubt that the arrival of DeepSeek signals that the AI race has only intensified, and it is clear that innovation and competition in this sector will continue to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As tech companies race to develop smarter, faster, and more efficient AI systems, it's evident that the future of artificial intelligence is not just about power. It's also about accessibility, affordability, and the potential to transform the way we live and work. As DeepSeek gains traction, one thing is for certain: the AI revolution is far from over, and the stakes have never been higher. Whether you're an early adopter eager to try the app or a curious observer watching the unfolding developments, there's no doubt that DeepSeek is the latest chapter in the ever-evolving story of artificial intelligence.